Strapped for cash and feeling like you're in a financial bind? We've all been there. People often toss around the words broke and poor interchangeably, but hold on. There's a whole world of difference between the two. It's not just about the dollars in your pocket. It's about the mindset that comes with it. In this video, we're diving deep into the nuances that separate being broke from being poor. Trust us, it's more than just a dictionary definition. Your financial situation might be temporary, but your mindset, now that's a game changer. Curious to unravel the distinctions and gain a new perspective on your financial narrative? Hit subscribe and let's navigate the intricacies of being broke versus being poor together. What is broke mentality? Being broke typically entails having a roof over your head and food in the refrigerator, but without the funds for certain indulgences. There are certain compromises that must be made, but not many. You frequently have a job and a steady paycheck. All you need to do is figure out how to maximize your pay and increase your revenue. If you have a broke attitude, you are aware that you are not impoverished. Simply put, you don't have a lot of money right now. Although it may not seem like much, your perspective has a big influence on your financial situation. Being broke is a sign that you are aware of your transient circumstances. You are aware that you have a safety net, something you can save for while accumulating wealth and something you can count on when additional money arrives. People who are broke are aware that their circumstances are temporary and that they have a bright future ahead of them. They merely need to make the most of their current money. They are not impoverished. What is poor mentality? Being broke is not the same as being poor. Being impoverished means that you frequently cannot afford to meet your fundamental necessities when you are born. Your financial circumstances frequently comprise having no assets, not knowing when you will eat next, and living in constant fear of social services and taxes. The persistent concern among the impoverished is that things will only get worse and that there is no way out of it. There is more to being in this circumstance than just the difficult times. If you're poor, you probably don't have a job, have trouble paying for school or further education, and live in substandard conditions overall. You most definitely don't have enough money saved up for investments when you can't even pay your rent or food. Many impoverished people lose hope for the future as a result of this, but that doesn't automatically equate to having a negative outlook. You believe you don't deserve money when you have a negative mindset. You're caught in this never-ending circle. You lack the fortitude to initiate action. The distinction between being impoverished and broke can be compared to a marathon. Although you're not starting from the same place, you're all going toward the same destination. Rich individuals lead the way, while those who have lived in poverty their entire lives are far behind and need to exert a little more effort to reach the finish line. However, this does not imply that the impoverished and destitute cannot achieve the same objective as the wealthy. Simply put, you don't have much money right now. Why your money mindset matters. Your perspective is one of the biggest obstacles to achieving financial freedom and has the biggest influence on how much money you have. You will never be affected by money if you have bad thoughts about it. When you begin to think abundantly, budget your income, believe in your goals, and make plans to help you reach financial independence, everything changes. This is the mindset of affluence. It's time to take accountability and quit blaming both yourself and other people. You are a person who can achieve goals regardless of your level of education or living situation. Thus, look in the mirror right now. Do you benefit from your money mindset, or is it time to let go and embrace a richer, new way of thinking? Financial literacy. The lack of financial literacy among a large number of individuals in our globe puts them in poverty and prohibits them from achieving true financial independence. You cannot manipulate money to work in your favor if you do not understand how it works. Rich people are well-versed in investing and know how to manage their finances. That is the reason for their wealth. There are numerous commercial and free materials available. There are a ton of financial advice resources available to you, including YouTube videos and books. Use every resource at your disposal to get financial knowledge. You won't be afraid of it once you do. You will discover how to generate cash flow and you won't be afraid to invest or of your debt. Your surroundings. Look about you with great attention. Which kind of media do you watch? What moral standards do your loved ones and friends uphold? Words have great power, so you should avoid those who constantly bring up negative money-related thoughts in your mind. We are so grateful for our Wealth Nation Money School community because of this. There are a lot of ambitious people with similar goals in this room, and we're always willing to support one another. Together, we want to achieve financial independence. Set goals. Setting goals is an effective strategy for achieving your objectives. You may break down your bigger ambitions into smaller, more doable steps by creating well-defined goals. Direction, inspiration, and a feeling of achievement are provided by this process as you move closer to your goals. Think about the kind of life you want for yourself for a while before starting your goal-setting process. What are your goals, interests, and core values? What kind of time and energy are you looking to invest? Imagine and create a clear mental image of your perfect future. After you have a firm grasp on the kind of lifestyle you want, you can begin to turn your vision into concrete objectives. Make sure your objectives are time-bound, relevant, specific, measurable, and achievable. This will support you in maintaining your motivation and attention as you strive to meet your goals. Writing down your goals is a strong psychological activity that boosts your chances of achievement and strengthens your commitment. It's more than just putting pen to paper. Put your written goals wherever you can see them and get to them quickly, like on a vision board, notepad, or sticky notes all over your house or office. Remember your desired overall lifestyle as you set your goals. Make sure your objectives reflect your priorities and values. Consider the question, will achieving this goal contribute to the life I envision for myself? Your goals will be genuinely significant and in line with your long-term aspirations if you use this thoughtful approach. Be consistent. At the heart of achieving any significant goal lies the unwavering determination to persevere, even when progress seems slow and challenges arise. The most important thing to remember is that even the smallest steps taken consistently accumulate over time, compounding into substantial progress, much like the remarkable power of compound interest. When faced with discomfort and uncertainty, it's easy to feel discouraged and tempted to retreat. However, it is precisely in these moments of discomfort that true growth occurs. Embracing discomfort and pushing through it is the cornerstone of personal transformation. The ability to persevere through discomfort is not an innate trait. It is a skill that can be cultivated and strengthened through conscious effort. By repeatedly exposing yourself to discomfort, you gradually build your tolerance and resilience, enabling you to tackle increasingly challenging situations. Moreover, overcoming discomfort instills a sense of confidence and self-belief that empowers you to pursue your goals with unwavering determination. Each time you navigate through a challenging situation, you reinforce your ability to adapt, learn, and grow. The path to success is rarely smooth or linear. It is inevitably punctuated by obstacles and setbacks. It is in these moments that perseverance truly shines. By cultivating the habit of pushing through discomfort, you develop the inner strength to overcome any challenge and achieve your aspirations. It's time to take the wheel. Rethinking anything is a continuous process. It will occasionally make you uncomfortable and requires continuous work. If you want to make progress and achieve breakthroughs, you have to check in with yourself. It takes more than just the correct attitude to take charge of your finances. You also need the appropriate instruments. Final thoughts. Developing a sound financial mindset is essential to achieving financial independence. You'll never be able to regulate money if you have a poor relationship with it. You'll be ruled by it. Take charge of your way of life, or someone else will. And there you have it, folks. The keys to unlocking a mindset shift that could change the course of your financial journey. If this exploration into the nuances of being broke versus being poor has resonated with you, don't forget to hit subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and share your thoughts down below. We love hearing from our incredible community. Remember, it's not just about the dollars in your pocket, it's about the mindset that comes with it. Whether you're on a quest to break free from a temporary financial setback or looking to reshape your relationship with money entirely, you're not alone in this journey. Stay tuned for more insights, tips, and discussions on navigating the intricate world of personal finance. Until next time, keep hustling, keep learning.